Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, which most everybody is because it's a brand new channel, I am Laura and this is Confident Notions. So this is a channel that's got a couple of different things going on. I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos, some haul videos, some thrift videos, makeup stuff, just talking in general about things that I like, and hopefully you do too and you want to watch it and hit the subscribe button and the like button so there's more than just like 3 people who like to come out here. And then my friends don't feel bad for me and just, well, actually they don't feel that bad for me because they really haven't hit that many like buttons, so it looks like I have fewer friends than I do. But hopefully if you are a friend of mine, or even if you're not, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down there. So today is going to be another unboxing video, and I love a good unboxing video. So I have seen this box pop up all across the interwebs, and it is the Swingles. This is not for swingers. This is for singles swag, the hashtag love yourself box. I mean, even though I'm not single, I was like, you know what? I want to see what this thing's all about. I think this box normally retails, there's a couple of different price points, but this box normally retails for $39.99, I believe. And you can get a bigger version with more swag in it. Or that is the bigger swag version. I can't remember. There's 2 sizes to it. One that gets you so many full-size items and another one that gets you additional full-size items. I'll link the information down below when I remember what it is. But when I signed up, there was a code online that you can get 20% off. So I think for this box, I ended up paying like $24.99 for it. And this is the October box. So I've already gone ahead and just opened it, but I have no idea what's actually inside because I like these things to be as much a surprise for me as they are for you. I will tell you that I've seen this box pop up on social media a bit, and I was like, that had best not be what's in my box because I want to be surprised, damn it, and just not happen to scroll through like some cat videos and be like, oh yeah, hey, single swag box, let's see what you got. Anyways, so let's see what we got inside. So when we open it up, there's like a little card in here, and it says Swingles, OMG, Laura, why do you, it's because there's a W in the swag, and I think it's swa, not sis-swa, right? So singles swag, win your next box. Post a video of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag singles swag, and we pick a winner every month. Love yourself, never settle. So, and then on the back here, it has the information of what is in the box, but I am not going to look at this because I don't want to know. But after this box, I'll go through, I'll read the items and how much they say they cost, and then we'll see if it's what we think. So it's covered in some black tissue paper here, and we open it up, and the first thing in this box is a hat. So this is exactly what I'd seen online, and I was a little bit concerned that all the boxes would have a hat in it because I'm not a hat girl. I don't have a head that is made for hats. I have plenty of friends who look really cute in hats. They take it, they put their point, they're like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna do my hair today, I'm just gonna put it up in a hat. That is not me. I did my hair today girl. But I mean, it's a really cute hat. It says good vibes on it, and it's kind of like it's like a distressed, like burgundy color. It's really cute. I'm just not a hat person. I can't wear hats. So let me see what this, see, look at this, see, I don't even look right on me. And I have a big head too, so. See, like they never come down long enough. I mean, well, that's not too bad. All right, that's my hat. People still do that. Should it be flat? Like, do I need to flatten this out? Or does it like curl up under? I don't know what the trend is anymore for hats. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do it. It's really cute though. I'll probably save it for a future giveaway. Or if you know me and you're like, I would like a hat, let me know. I mean, it's really cute though. But your girl's not a hat girl, which is fine. So the next thing we have is, ooh, in bubble wrap, we've got a decorated sugar skull cookie. Well, I am here for that. So this is a story. As growing up as a kid in Syracuse, Tina loved cookies, so she made her own cookie company, and Corso's cookies. That's really cute. So it's peanut and tree nut free sugar cookies. And of course, there's cookies, America's favorite decorated cookies. I really like the colors on it. Like these neon-y colors are really cute. On the back here, let's see what it's made out of. We got some flour, eggs, salt, glycerin, blah, blah, blah. Oh, well, that's good. So I'm actually super excited about this because I have a low-key allergy to soy. It's not gonna kill me. It's just gonna give me a really bad stomach ache. And a lot of sugar cookies use some sort of shortening in them, and shortening is generally made with soy, which is gonna give me a stomach ache and sadness. And this one is not. So I can eat this one pain-free. Perhaps not guilt-free, but pain-free. So that's something, right? Awesome. So, ooh, there's some more stuff in here. So the next thing we've got here, we got a couple of different things. We've got this hand cream. So this Abella, catching the glare, here we go. This Abella moisturizing hand cream, ultra hydrating hand cream with Sicilian honey and aromatic botanicals. I don't know why I have this like need to like lean off to the side. So it's got a safety seal on here, which is good. So it means nobody else has stuck their fingers in it. And let's open that up here. And, ooh, that is botanical. It definitely has a bit of a strong perfumey smell to it. It says that it features Sicilian honey and enriched with the power of extracts of Italian olive oil. Infused with the aromatic botanicals of orange blossom and eucalyptus, your senses will be awakened and uplifted. Well, who doesn't need their senses awakened and uplifted? And who doesn't need a little bit of hand cream every now and then? Let's see. This might be a little too scented for me. We'll see how this wears. I'm usually not like a big fan of like scented hand creams, but I mean, honestly, like if it moisturizes and helps with my cuticles, my like janky ass cuticles, then I mean, I'll take a little bit of stink to go with that. But I mean, it actually goes on really well. It doesn't feel greasy. It's just definitely very aromatic. So not too bad, not too bad. Let's see the next, ooh. So the next thing we have, it says Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serum by a company called Strengthening. I don't know what the name of this is. Maybe the company is called Strengthening and it's just nail and cuticle serum. So it says apply 1 to 2 drops on nails and cuticles daily, reapply as needed. So it's specially designed to moisturize nails while protecting the cuticle against dryness and damage. This is great. So I do get my nails done. I get gel manicures because I need something on my nails, but my cuticles are atrocious. They have always been atrocious, and getting regular manicures helps keep the madness down. And for me, it's always a struggle to go find a manicurist who doesn't yell at me for the state of my cuticles. So if this droppy, oh, look at that. Oh, can you see that? Oh, that's nice. So, I mean, if this stuff here can work some wonders on my cuticles, I'm here for it. I'm super excited and I'm here for this. Oh, that doesn't smell. That's nice. Ooh, I'm super excited about that one. That's really cool. I will happily take some cuticle oil. Awesome. We still got a couple of other things in here. So the next thing we've got here is Trifle Cosmetics. It's a liquid glow liquid illuminizer. This is cool. I have some highlighters that are not that are all powder based, but I don't have a liquid illuminator. Love desserts. Don't be shy. Say hi. Trifle Cosmetics. So comes in this really cute like pink packaging. Let's see if I can get this open. See what it's like inside. So this is, oh, ooh, it smells like candy. It smells like Sour Patch Kids or something. Oh wow, look at that. That is a pinky illuminatorness. That's really cute. I will give that a shot and see what I can do with that. Generally, I have more redness that I like to cover up, so I'm not sure if this is gonna make me look more red and illuminate me or not, but I'm gonna give it a go because that's really cute. and it smells good. It covers the smell of the botanicals, the botanical hand cream. But yeah, that's really cute. So Trifle Cosmetics Liquid Glow Liquid Illuminizer. Not too shabby, not too bad. We got 2 more things in the box here. So the next thing we have up is this, Perfect Finish Hair Serum. It's by Brilliance New York Hair Couture. And it says absolute quality can now be achieved with BNY's own finished hair serum. Lightweight, key ingredient, argan oil to get that perfect salon finish with every use. And you apply it to wet or dry hair as needed. So let's see what this is. Wow, I'm on the struggle opening things bus today. Ooh, that's a lot. That is a nice big bottle of hair serum. So it looks like you just, is it gonna go everywhere? God, it's gonna go everywhere. Well, I'm sure once we get it like going, it'll get going. But that's nice. That's a nice big bottle of hair serum to help with a perfect finish. So I'm excited to try that. That's really cool. Really excited about that one. Nice. And the last, but certainly not least thing in the swag box is this little box. Looks like a jewelry box, and I hear something rattling around in here. And it is by Indigo or Inigo Authority. Not sure how to pronounce that. And inside here we get, is it a necklace? I think it's a necklace. So it looks like one of these, it is very Kendra Scott reminiscent. It looks like one of those druzy stones set in like a rose gold color. That is really cute. Oh, nope, I think it's a bracelet, because I hope it's not an anklet. But I think it's, what is that? I think it's a bracelet. Looks kind of big for a bracelet, but it might be. So, not sure. I think, interesting. Okay, I think this is a bracelet. And then it kind of dangles down. So as you can see, it's got this little circle thing, and then these little danglies that you can like adjust the size of it. I have pretty small wrists, so I'm sure the cool thing about this is it's going to accommodate a lot of different sizes of wrists. Let me flip that around. So it's a pink, like bumpy kind of stone, set in a little bit of like rose gold. The only thing I would say is, I'm not sure if you can see this, but the links here where it's connected to the chain already look a little bit tarnished. And the chain itself looks a little bit tarnished, just in my personal opinion. But definitely like these little links that are holding the stones onto the chain are not the same color. So that's a little bit disappointing. I mean, it's definitely a cute bracelet, but I think, I mean, yeah, just for that, they probably want to do a little better quality control and make sure that the chain wasn't tarnished before they set it out. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see past the illuminator, right? It's like, it's hard to see it, but like these little, the little links right there are tarnished. So that's unfortunate. It's really cute though. I'm sure you can fix it. I don't know, I just might email them and let them know, be like, hey, FYI, these are a little bit tarnished looking. So overall, it's really cute. And I do like the fact that it's adjustable, so it would fit a wide variety of wrists. So if you've got a smaller wrist like mine, or if you've got a larger wrist, there's definitely room for expansion there. So let's take a look and see what we got and what it all sums up to as Laura tries to do math. This is fun. Okay. Oh, they added a 4B. Great. All right. So the first thing we got, this Way of the Will, the cuticle serum, that is $24. That sounds about right. The Ultra Hydrating Hand Cream is $22. I mean, it's a good bit of hand cream, so I'm not surprised. It seems a little bit high end, but I would say 22 bucks sounds fine. The Brilliance New York Perfect Finish Moroccan Argan Oil Solution. Yeah, that's definitely, that was a big bottle of hair serum, so definitely 40 bucks. I can totally see that. Indigo Authority Peach Quartz Adjustable Chain Bracelet, $68. $68. Okay. Single swag. Come on, y'all. I'll be honest, like, I know for a fact that I can get a very similar necklace version of that at Kendra Scott that is not tarnished for about $68 as well. Also, when it's your birthday month, all you have to do is show your driver's license and you can go to Kendra Scott and get something for half price. So next month, during my birthday month, if I wanted to, I could go get something very similar that is not tarnished for about $35. So single swag, I'm a little disappointed. Like for $68, the chain should not be tarnished and the links should not be tarnished. That's boo on y'all. All right. The Vivian Rowe Good Vibes baseball hat, $26. Yeah, that sounds about right. The Trifle Cosmetic Liquid Glow Illuminizer is $24, and this giant sugar cookie, which is going to bring great joy into my life, is $4. So all in all, it says the retail value of this box is $208, which is kind of crazy. So, I mean, I paid like 24 bucks for it, so definitely, you know, for 24 bucks, you get a $208 value. It's a pretty good deal. So definitely more worth what I paid for it, but when you consider the highest price item in this box was the Peach Quartz adjustable chain bracelet that was tarnished, that's pretty disappointing. I would just suggest that they probably do a little better quality control of the stuff that they send, especially if it's going to be the most expensive item that they put in their box. So that was my review of my first singles swag box. Am I gonna get it again next month? I'm not really sure. I don't know if I want to pay full price and not get my like 25% discount off on it. So I'll think about it. Honestly, I'll probably forget to cancel it before the next one comes, and then we'll see what we get. But in the meantime, I would give it another shot before, and I definitely think I'm gonna reach out about the bracelet. Not that I necessarily want another bracelet for them, but I just think that they should know that they're coming tarnished and it's a pretty hefty priced item for them to come damaged. So, all right, I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like what you saw here, go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends and family about it, and I hope you come back and see some more stuff. So that's all for me tonight. I hope you have a great rest of your evening, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.